Let's do the Space Marine.
The Israelite king Solomon, son of David, has gone on
Okay.
to fame
So
for
making
his
up some cards
wisdom,
here.
his
This is where I'm recently leaving it off.
Ecclesiastes,
You
his
need
lechery
this
and apostasy,
because I need
of
to
course,
map
his power
build
as a
with you
mage,
about what the
especially
problem
control
is, about
over
why
demonic
it's squares or
spirits. From
hexagrams
the
or
Dead
triangles.
Scrolls to the contemporary
So this will
practices
build
of
you
Solomon's
into what you
magic,
need to build a
this
point
Israelite king has
for
figured
what it is, and this is going to
centrally in the
drop
history
10
of magic,
negative 33
alongside
0
such
1 2.
luminary
I know
figures
it's a
as
whole mixing bowl
Zoroaster, Pythagoras, and Hermes Trismegistus.
just to get
Most
into
famous
it
for
for
his
funds
magical seal ring,
and length and
Solomon is
base,
legendary
base and
for how he
height. You're
controls
changing
and
the
founds
things
an
over
entire
for equals
host
MC
of demons in the
squared, about
construction of the Jerusalem
reorganization and
temple.
position,
But
because
what is our
technically
earliest
speaking, and again,
attestation
there's some
of
things
this
here that
legend?
are off. I
Just
need to
how
redo
far
all this for my
back in
conquest book
hallowed
anyways.
antiquity can we find Solomon, the
Certain
sorcerer?
patterns or
In this
the
episode, I want to
notation
return to our surviving
is
ground zero
what
for
is
this legendary
working.
narrative. The early
So at a
common
certain
text
point,
known
again, this
simply
will all get redone.
as the
You need to know
Testament of
13.6
Solomon.
billion years ago,
Here we find a
there was
fully
something that was
developed
going
stone of
on in
Solomon,
terms of the
which is
scale
forged and binds
that
on a
was,
forge
I mean,
with
a lot of
the
metals are going
structure
on
of the
here, a
Jerusalem
lot of differential
temple.
black body
But
problems because
also,
of
a text like
cooling
this
away
can
from the
appear
core,
near the
or
description
proton and
in the
neutron here
very
could be
foundation
electron
of the
and
Solomonic school
mu
of
or
magic
tau.
continues to exist.
But the scale doesn't matter. I mean, you could take it back,
The
that's
testament of Solomon's life
infinitesimally forever.
somewhere
So it cracked
between narrative legend
pure
and
angles,
practical
lines, Higgs
red
field
wall.
stuff about the
A
arc
text
or
as
the
much
cone
as a
or the
magical
triangle
manual
or the
as a
pyramid
piece of
version
legendary
of.
myth. If you're interested in magic, Hermetic philosophy,
Because then,
alchemy,
right,
Kabbalah, or
I
some
made the
history of
mistake
the
here.
occult,
This should be
make sure to
triangles. This should be
subscribe,
map building
check
in the
out my other
triangles, and then I
content on
generally have it
substance
right. But the
empiricism,
mathematical structure
including
would
numerous
change, so
brand playlists.
how you get
Also,
3
the most
commanders
important of
going
this
by
work of
building a
providing
character
accessible,
card based
scholarly,
on
and free content on
find
Patreon
something under a
necessarily
tile,
here on
roll,
YouTube.
find some way to
For
time
free,
unit so all the
please
players
consider supporting my
generally
work
have the
on
rules no matter what
Patreon with a
heresy that
one-time
is,
donation via PayPal,
given
or perhaps
sigma
a
some
super chat
positive
option
and negative
now
charge,
lined
because
below
triangles
the
do.
video.
When you get enough triangles
Again, you can find
together,
those links below, and I really do appreciate your consideration, supporting this channel, and making the work of Esoterica
second order,
widely
right? But
accessible.
at any rate,
But
um,
let's turn to the
where you start in
foundation
zero,
of
the
Solomon's
prior
magic,
information
the
is
power of
Solomon's
the divine
work
hosts, and the
about
real
this mass
stars of
defect.
this
This
legend,
little bit
the
here,
domes of demons
that's
that
kind of
Solomon
that step up or
communicates
step
with,
down here in a
binds,
breadboard.
and
It would keep the
controls.
circuit much more
I'm
appropriate
Justin Sledge,
towards
and welcome
very simple
to
systems
Esoterica,
that
where we
IH move
explore
this
the
over
arcane,
up and down a little
mystery,
bit, but
philosophy,
also have this
and
way
religion.
that you can do it up.